The Hub Buffet fold-away bar can be set up without tools and is lightweight and durable enough to transition from indoor to outdoor service in a snap. In 4 steps and 5 minutes, you can have a stunning bar service for any event. Let us show you how. Each bar begins with a collapsible frame. Made from durable matte stainless steel, the frame can fold away for easy storage and quickly expand for setup and use. Next, drop in the hub shelf to complete your frame setup. This reversible black or textured laminate surface is wrapped with a metal border that protects from dents and scratches, and the frame's heavy-duty casters can transition seamlessly between surfaces and lock for safety and stability during service. Next, drop in the tiles to create your bar surface. The tiles come in a variety of styles, including brushed aluminum, glass, textured laminate, or wooden finishes, and an insulated double-wall ice bin tile for ice service on the go. Switch up your tile layout based on your needs or preferences. Then, hook in a speed rail for fast and convenient bottle access. Now that your tiles are in place, it's time to add some style with front and side panels. Available in textured or black laminate, pattern optic reflector acrylic, LED, or brushed aluminum, the front and side panels are designed to seamlessly hook into the frame in seconds for a finished look. Now, choose a bar top that attaches to your hub frame to give your bar the added height it needs for service. Match your bar top with your side panels for a cohesive and stylish display, or mix and match for a unique look. The Hub Buffet fold-away bar is available with a storage and transport unit, complete with protective dust cover to make setup, breakdown, and storage as easy and minimal as possible. For more details on customizing or ordering a Hub Buffet fold-away bar for your operation, visit our website or call your local Eastern Tabletop representative today. The fold-away bar is a part of Eastern's Hub Buffet system, an interchangeable and versatile buffet solution. To learn more about the full Hub Buffet system, watch our extended video here or on easterntabletop.com.